Hello everyone, this is the MacD from the Coin Dictionary, and we finally arrived at the highest current denomination in Polish coinage, the 5 Złotych coin. Will be, as in any other video, going over its mintage, historical context, data, statistics, and so on. Yeah, let's just go. Okay, so to start, this coin was minted in copper nickel for the outer part and aluminum bronze on the inside, so it is bimetallic. It is at 0 degrees rotation, so it rotates like this, unlike US coins. It weighs 6.54 grams. Its diameter is 24 millimeters, which still means that it is very slightly smaller than a US quarter. And this being the largest currently circulating coin in Poland, you can see that the coins over here are much smaller than the ones in the US, which I don't think is a bad thing, because they are much easier to use, and because of that more denominations are in circulation. The edge is reeded, however it has 3 blank spots, like this one. These are located in different places on each coin, so you can find them in many different places. But just informing that they are there. Let's go to the overview. I start with the reverse. There's the denomination 5 or 5 in Polish, Złotych. This is how you spell this word, Złotych. Also, you could, if you've watched previous videos or if you are familiar with Polish coinage, you might have noticed that this word is pronounced differently each time. Złoty, złote, złotych. This is just how it is declined. Just saying. There are 5 oak leaves around. A slight engraving resembling a 5 around the actual 5, and some striping, vertical and horizontal. The obverse is very similar to any other Polish coin currently circulating. There is the coat of arms in the center, the mint mark below, the writing Rzeczpospolita Polska or the Commonwealth of Poland around, and the date below. The designer for both sides was Ewa Skarpińska. Now, let's go to the mintage and value. This coin had the very highest mintage for this type. 112,896,033. This is more than double the second highest. And this coin, if you encounter it, there is a very high chance that it will be 1994 or maybe 96 or 2009. These are the highest mintage years. However, because of its due to its age and how easily the core loses its luster, a true mint state condition coins go for pretty nice prizes, up to $10. So even though it is in really high mintage, you should be checking those for nice condition, which should look something like this, but I will be explaining the differences in the next video. Otherwise, its face value is something around $1.30, give or take a few cents. Historically, this was the first year of issue. This denomination, along with the 2 złote, was a bit late. The previous denominations were minted since 1990. This is from 1994. I don't know really why, but I suspect that it was due to the testing of the bimetal. There were minted many test coins in pure nickel, but that's a topic for another day. Also, this coin has a very minor mint error. This core should be touching this thin rim. However, it is slightly past it everywhere. This technically counts as a mint error. However, nobody would pay any attention to it, as it doesn't give the coin any extra value. However, if it was really deformed, like touching here or something, you would be looking at a pretty valuable coin. So yeah, let's conclude this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching the video. My name's Christian, and I own The Coin Dictionary, and I'd also encourage you to visit us at our website, thecoindictionary.com, and on Instagram at thecoindictionary. And I'd also like to draw your attention to some other helpful coin resources, such as my other YouTube channel, Treasure Town, which does more in-depth videos about coins and collectibles, as well as some resources like coinmeltprice.com, which shows up-to-date precious metals pricing, as well as the melt values of the coins that you own, coinsmetalscards.com, which will both be a marketplace and a news source for coins, metals, and cards, as the name suggests, as well as whatsthegrade.com, which will develop into a stickering service for already graded collectibles. Have a great day, and I hope to see you on some of our other videos.